You're looking for fast, easy ways to make money online in 2020 and beyond. Well, then hit the like and subscribe, because that is exactly what I'm going to be teaching you. Now, who am I and why should you listen to what I have to say? My name is Etienne. I've been working from home since 2009. I quit my last full-time job in 2011 and I've been working from home full-time, making money online. I've tried everything you can think of when it comes to making money online. I've been scammed thousands of times. I've wasted a lot of money, and I don't want you to go through that same BS. So let's jump right into it. The number one best way to make money online, and by far the fastest, I'm not talking about small amounts, I'm not talking about pennies or watching YouTube videos for cents or playing a game or watching adverts for minimal amounts. I'm not talking about Amazon that pays you 10 cents when you sell a $30 product. That's all bullshit. I'm going to be showing you real ways to make money online. So, number one, freelancing. Now, I know a lot of you don't want to hear this, but freelancing is by far the fastest and easiest ways to make your first few dollars online. With the money you make from freelancing, you can always fund your future business ventures. So don't write it off. And how do you make money as a freelancer? Now, the best sites that I've personally used are guru.com and Upwork, which back in the day was called Elon's. These are by far the two best sites. There are a ton more freelancing sites out there, but these are the ones that worked for me personally, and I've made thousands of dollars every single month. These are the two that has made me the most money and allowed me to invest my money into my own online business. So if you have any skills whatsoever, from writing, editing, whatever you can think of, anything that you can do on a computer or on the internet, you can sell that to someone as a freelancer. People need your skills. Copywriters, audio transcriptions, translators. There are thousands of opportunities to make money online. Number two, affiliate marketing. Now, this is nothing new, as affiliate marketing has been around forever. Now, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is basically selling someone else's product for a commission. Once again, I'm not talking about tiny Amazon commissions. Forget about Amazon. Amazon, you're never going to make a lot of money on it. There are a lot of better networks out there that you can join. Number one, CPA marketing. CPA stands for cost per action, meaning that you will get paid every time someone enters an email address, submits their phone number, or fill out a survey. So you can get paid per lead or per sale. The choice is yours. So one of the best affiliate networks for that is called Max Bounty. I'll leave a link in the description below, so be sure to sign up there and check it out. As for affiliate marketing, a great site to use is one is called Commission Junction, cj.com. Another great affiliate site people use all the time is JVZoo. There's a link in the description for that as well. I'll leave links for all of the sites I mentioned. JVZoo is very similar to ClickBank, another very popular affiliate marketing platform where you can make a ton of cash. Now, all you need to make money with affiliate marketing is your own website, which you can get for free. There are Google Sites. You can just do a simple search for Google Sites, create a website for free. There's WordPress, which is what I personally use and have used for many years. And another popular one these days is Wix, which I won't really recommend because from an SEO standpoint, something I'm really passionate about, Wix sites are a nightmare. The same goes for Shopify, I won't recommend it. Stick to WordPress or Google Sites if you don't have money to invest in your own domain name. Number 3, drop shipping. Now, drop shipping is a bit more complicated, but the potential earnings are huge. You can make a ton of money online with drop shipping in 2020 and beyond. Now, what drop shipping is you selling someone else's service. You're essentially playing a reseller. You are selling someone else's product, having it shipped to you, and then you ship it to the client. Sounds complicated. It's not as complicated as it sounds, but that is another great way to make money online in 2020 and beyond. So those are the 3 best ways to make money online. Again, I'm not giving you all the rehashed BS that's online. These are ways that have worked for me personally, especially affiliate marketing and freelancing. If you want to start making some big bucks online, affiliate marketing and freelancing, those are the ways to go. Please hit the like and subscribe if you want more similar content. Let me know in the comments if there's anything else you need me to do a video on. If you want me to explain something a bit more in detail, I'll do that for you. Thanks for watching. Cheers.